Alright students, now let us start with the reading of chapter 10. Topic is our earth, as you can see. Okay, science chapter 10, our earth. Now before we start, there is a small brush up for you. Observe the various forms of the earth in the given pictures and write their names. Let's say, for example, the first one is a picture of a mountain. The second one we can write as land or plain, plain. Okay. Third one, it's a forest. The fourth one is a river. Okay. So now turn your page to page number 98. Now the first topic here is given, layers of the earth. So are you ready? I need you to put your finger and read along with me. This will improve your reading skills as well as you will gain more knowledge of the chapter while reading along with me. Right? Now, let us start. Our earth is one of the 8 planets of our solar system. The earth is the third planet from the sun. It is the third planet from the sun. It is the only planet on which life exists. The earth was formed millions of years ago. At that time, it was a huge hot ball of rocks and gases. When the earth was formed, there was no life on it. This means millions of years ago, when the earth was formed, there was no life on the earth. As time passed by, the earth started to cool down, and then on the crust of the earth, people started and living things started to survive. So let us read and understand. As years passed, the outer surface of the earth cooled down because of the rain and wind. All of us live on the outer surface of the earth, which is known as the crust. Now, only the outer surface of the earth is cool. Only the outer surface of the earth is cool, while it is extremely hot inside. Now when I say inside means the center of the earth is hot, solid ball of molten metals. Now this part of the earth is called the core. The inner part of the earth is called the core. Now mantle is present between the crust and the core. Where is mantle present? It is present between the crust and the core. Now, this mantle is made of very hot molten rocks, which is known as magma. Okay. Now, moving on to the shape of the earth. Now, we have heard that the shape of the earth is round like a ball, but actually it is not perfectly round. It is not perfectly round. It is slightly flattened at the top and at the bottom. It is like a beautiful blue ball from the outer surface. When we look at it from the outer surface, it looks like a beautiful blue ball. Now moving on to movement of the earth. Page number 99. Have you seen a spinning top? Our earth also spins like a top. It spins on an imaginary line passing through its center. This imaginary line is called axis of the earth. Right? Now, about rotation. What is rotation? The spinning of the earth on its axis is called rotation of the earth. The earth rotates on its axis in the direction from west to east. In the direction from west to east. Remember this. We do not feel that the earth is rotating. We do not feel that the earth is rotating. Why? Because everything in the earth, on the earth, rotates along with the earth. Everything rotates along with the earth. That is why we don't feel the rotation of the earth. Okay? Clear?